Hello everyone and welcome back to Gamer Hacks. So if you have a problem with this quest, which is anytime, anywhere, collect information about prisoners, what you're gonna do is coming, of course, to this island, then go inside and free some of these prisoners. Of course, you will be forced to pay some pirate coin.
Congratulations.
Yeah, you can choose the lowest pirate coin one. Like, you need only 3. After that, you will get 3 messages. You cannot open them directly. You need to open the mail. Then open all the 3 messages. Then, oh wait, yeah. So actually, one of them only gave me 1, like you see 1/3, because I need one of these collect information. So I need to get more. In this case, I will. Oh, I cannot free more. So I am gonna wait until they respawn. They're gonna spawn here at the same area one more time. So what you're gonna do is just waiting. Yeah. Okay. We waited. 1, 2. Let me try them first. If that was enough, it would be nice. Okay. Oh, I got them. Okay, I got 3 now. That's nice. Now I will go deliver the thing. Thanks a lot, guys, for being watching, and see you guys in the next one. Bye!